Hello and welcome to our channel. As technology advances, the fear of AI replacing human jobs is becoming more and more. So in today's video we will talk about 10 jobs that AI will replace these jobs. Market research analysts. AI has the potential to revolutionize the market research industry by automating many of the tasks that are currently performed by market research analysts. According to a report by Greenbook, firms that use AI in market research can generate large amounts of data and market reports while using far fewer resources than traditional market research requires. For instance, market research that typically takes analysts months or years to perform is often done in minutes using AI. Teachers. There is a growing interest in the use of artificial intelligence, AI, in education. While AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn, it is unlikely that it will replace teachers entirely. According to an article on e-learning industry, AI can be used to teach students skills or reinforce difficult concepts for struggling students, but it cannot replace a human teacher. AI can be used to automate administrative tasks, such as grading and record keeping, freeing up teachers' time to focus on more important tasks like lesson planning and student engagement. AI can also provide personalized learning experiences for students by analyzing their learning patterns and adapting the curriculum accordingly. Finance jobs, financial analysts, personal financial advisors. In the finance industry, AI is already being used to automate tasks such as data entry, analysis, and reporting. For example, banks have begun incorporating AI into their business models. 56% of banks claim they've implemented the technology into their business domains like management, and 52% claim they've used it for revenue generation. Capital One Senior Vice President Abhijit Bose told The Washington Post that AI will potentially monitor transactions to give detailed financial advice on saving and spending. Graphic designers. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to revolutionize the graphic design industry by automating tedious tasks and freeing up more time for creative work. AI can be used for image editing, classification, color manipulation, and font design. For instance, Photor's AI design generator can create professional and unique AI graphic designs in seconds, including logos, graphics, posters, interior design, and more. Bookkeeping clerks. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the way businesses operate, including the field of accounting. AI can automate repetitive tasks such as recording data in the correct accounting formats, sorting transactions into categories, reconciling accounts against bank statements, and recognizing data from scanned receipts or invoices to identify the vendor and amount. This can improve record accuracy, increase the focus of finance team expertise, and provide advanced financial insights. Compensation and benefits managers. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the way businesses operate, including the field of compensation and benefits management. AI can automate many of the repetitive tasks associated with compensation management, such as data input, calculation, and reporting. This can reduce errors and improve accuracy by eliminating the need for manual data entry and minimizing the risk of human error. For example, IBM has been using AI in its compensation systems for several years to more accurately reflect the value of an employee's skills rather than the compensation level of a specific job. The AI system provides managers with salary increase recommendations based on the supply and demand for specific skills, allowing them to make more informed decisions during compensation discussions. Receptionists. AI-powered virtual people can take over office receptionist duties, such as greeting and checking in guests, verifying face mask coverings and body temperature levels, collecting health surveys, and printing visitor badges. These AI avatars can help businesses reduce contact among customers inside businesses or buildings. One example of this technology is the Alice Receptionist Visitor Management System, which uses AI avatars to provide a human-like element to the automated process. Another example is the use of voice-based AI devices, such as Amazon Echo or Google Home, to replace a non-existent receptionist. Proofreaders. AI has the potential to assist proofreaders and editors in their work, but it is unlikely to replace them entirely. AI-powered editing tools can quickly analyze large amounts of writing, identifying errors and suggesting replacements relatively quickly. This capability can be helpful because it speeds up the editing process and facilitates faster turnaround times. And since AI can help editors identify surface errors, it can also allow them to focus on more detailed, subjective errors and style issues. Computer support specialists. AI and machine learning, ML, are being increasingly integrated into IT support systems to enhance their capabilities and improve their efficiency. One of the key benefits of AI in IT support is its ability to automate high-volume, low-value service desk activities, freeing up human personnel to focus on more complex and value-adding tasks. For instance, AI-powered chatbots and virtual support agents can provide round-the-clock assistance to users, answering simple queries and routing service requests to the appropriate responder. Video editors. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to revolutionize the video editing industry by automating repetitive tasks, streamlining workflows, and providing new creative possibilities. AI-powered tools can assist video editors in organizing files, filtering audio, and even offering insights based on data analysis. For example, Canva, an online design platform, has announced a new suite of AI tools that can generate new images, automatically edit videos, and translate text into more than 100 languages. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.